Hi all, welcome to pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now we are going to see the coding part. So in this coding part, we have the soft threshold. So this portion belongs to the soft threshold. So first, what are the data? We are taking the parameters as x comma t. It will be the x values will be taken in zeros matrix according to the length, and from that the mean value, if it is we have to find out the particular x value if it is less than t and greater than t. These two values we have to find out. So based on that coefficient value only, here we will be comparing inside the main code. So that is the soft thresholds coefficient value should be found out. So greater than t as well as less than t, those particular range of value here it must be identified. So in this way only the softening threshold is calculated. So through the zeros matrix, inverse of dwt, that particular function only here it is mentioned as reverse dwt. So low part, high part, again low part and high part. So these portions has been explained inside the dwt series, and from that here we are taking the length of row and length of column. So these two parameters we are taking from the size of f2 low. So from this portion we are taking. Now we are applying the transpose over here where it matches L to R matches to R to R. The same thing, L to C matches towards R to C. And after that, based on the rows and columns, the dwt will be rounding off the value, and finally after that the reconstruction will be enabled. So again the size will be calculated from left to right and right to left, and that particular reconstruction will be done from the last part. So for that last part only here it has been applied, because for each and every image processing, it takes from left to right from each and every rows and columns. Whenever it is reconstructing, it comes from the right to left. So from bottom part, it should be applied. So that portion will be taken, and finally everything will be added over here. Then after that, the separation. So separation is taken from the even number separation in this process and the odd number separation. And this is for one-dimensional interpolation series. So this is for calculating the one-dimension area, and this is for applying the interpolation of the one dimension. Whatever the image which we have, it is a two-dimensional image only, but the monochrome color which is obtained inside the grayscale, for that dimensional purpose here we are applying, and from that only the RGB will be restored. Okay, so this is reversed dwt. Now let us get into the main coding. So inside that main coding, the GUI main function is opened. First we have to provide the input image. All the haze images should be in JPJ. So in the name of pre-processing, it will be resized for 256, 256, converted from RGB to YCBCR. So color space conversion will be there. Different three planes will be separated from this. Then therefore from that YCBCR, the menu bar will be displayed. Then plane separation will be done. Three plane separations like luminance, prominence and adjustment. So those plane separation like red plane, green plane and blue plane, similar to that. So those plane separations it is being applied. That will be the next stage. Then bi-orthogonal callback. So that bi-orthogonal callback here we have to apply. So dual directions, which comes under the dwt next level. So the next level of dwt only, which can be set as the second order. So alone dwt and dwt2 also will be there. So if you apply dwt2 means it will be bidirectional. So whatever the composition will be there or compression which we are applying, at that place the composition will be there. And this IMShow it is used to display that images. Now to vary the foreground as well as background, we need to estimate the depth. So here the edge deduction is being applied, the canny edge deduction. and from that both the units has been calculated over here. So all the edge enhancements it is obtained. Now finally here we are applying our inverse discrete wavelet transform. So from that the bioorthogonal wavelet decomposition will be reversed over here, and for visibility restoring only we are using this softening threshold as well as reverse threshold. So those sequences only here it has been called for this function, and finally the hazy image has been applied. Now we can run the code. So first browse the image. The image is ready. Convert the colors. Let us run once again. Now to the next. The YBCR color conversion. Then we have to do the plane separation. So these are the different plane separations. Now wavelet compression. So here we can see the image has been compressed. From that the edges are being detected. Enhancement of edge. This will be the edge. So here we can see the outlines of all the buildings which has been passed through the photo. Now reverse the compression. Yeah. So now almost we have received. Now let us restore it. So restoring will be like an overfluenced painting. So this way only here we have to apply the dehazing method through segmentation. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.